In this Bluenose 2 Rebuilding History segment, we are looking at Deadwood. Deadwood is a composite of heavy timbers, in our case Angelique, stacked on top of the keel and butted up against the stern post. Each layer is shaped differently to fit together with the previous one for ease of through bolting to the bottom of the keel, and to add strength to the stern of the vessel. This picture shows a completed Deadwood assembly. Let's have a quick review of the stern assembly, starting with the stern post itself. Then the first keel is laid, followed by the second keel, the third keel, and finally the fourth keel. Now the first piece of Deadwood is placed directly on top of the fourth keel, followed by the second piece, the third piece, and then the fourth piece. This part 1 video covers all 4 pieces of Deadwood. As we pick up the construction, the first 3 pieces of Deadwood have already been set into place onto the keel assembly. They have each been drilled and then bolted to the bottom of the keel assembly. We will take a closer look at this later on. Here you will see the fourth piece being fitted into place. It is then removed to have some adjustments made by planing the surfaces where there are high spots. It is then hoisted up to check the fit. When the crew is satisfied with the fit, it is placed on the stack. Each piece must fit perfectly with the one under it, and here it must be pulled into position using a come-along and then clamped. Holes must now be drilled through the entire depth to the bottom of the keel. Long drill bits are required up to 5 feet in length. Drilling requires 2 men and takes a long time. After the holes are drilled, the rods are bolted on each end and tightened.